Hello, 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 water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Welcome to my channel, and now let's manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Miss Mo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay new love reading. Pero bago tayo magpunta sa tarot, tingnan natin ang overall energy using my cards here. It's Justice. Okay. Justice card. Ay, sorry, basahin ko pala muna. Honor truth. When actions align with your spirit, your soul rests in balance. Okay. So, yeah. I can see here na ang overall energy is finding balance in this new love, harmony, accountability, fairness, and yeah, medyo similar energy with the air sign, pero ito is about the person, but here this is about the overall energy. Okay? And now let's find out ano yung detalye nito. So, alamin natin, first pair, tingnan natin, sino ba ito? Itong new love. Sino ba siya? Sino siya? Okay, and tingnan natin kung anong traits niya, characteristics, and yeah, anong meron sa kanya na magpapatibok din sa puso mo. Okay. Knight of Coins. Ayan, cute. So, I think, napasabi ang cute. I think cute din yung, yung new love na ito. Yeah. Very, ang cute talaga. Totoo. Anyway, Knight of Coins showing up here. But tingnan natin kung ano yung ka-pair niya. For me to look, nakita nyo tumalon siya. So, I think gusto niya magpakita. Oh, yeah. And the Fool. Oh, by the way, kanina, with the Justice card showing up, you might be dealing with Libra. Okay? Doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. So, but check nyo kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising placements. Baka Libra sila sa placements na yun. But anyway, going back. So, with the Knight of Coins showing up here, itong person na to, ano siya? Someone very responsible, consistent, and someone that you can really trust. With the Knight of Coins, that's it's a card of consistency din kasi, and trust. So, ito, hindi siya yung parang init-lamig or parang darating siya sa life mo tapos paparamdam tapos mawawala for a while. Hindi. So, this person will show consistency, and dahil gusto ka rin niya talaga, ito gagawin, alam niya yung responsibility niya sa end niya as someone who will pursue you, or regardless kung babae, lalaki, or same gender, yeah, other people can pursue you naman, diba? Hindi man dapat ikaw lagi nagpo-pursue. But yeah, here you will see a lot of consistency, whatever love language meron itong person na to, and this is someone new in your life. Actually, ito nga, with the Fool card here, parang you're not unaware. Maybe it's an organic encounter, pero it's someone new, and itong person na to, medyo siya, meron siyang spunky energy. I think, tingnan natin mamaya, kasi yung second pair is paano kayo magkakakilala. And saan, kailan, ganyan. Pero nakikita ko na dito pa lang na this is an organic encounter, na possible na nakita ka niya public, in-approach ka niya, tapos gusto makapagkilala, makipagkaibigan, right? Or from an event, ganyan. So, yeah. And luckily, you're single. Kaya, happy siya na nilapitan ka niya. Parang ganun. So, but this person meron ka siyang confidence, I can see. Kasi yung iba naman, kung walang confidence ng tao na ito, mahihiya to eh. Pero I think na, well, siya yung person na walang pake sa sasabihin ng iba or hindi naman sa walang hiya. Pero gets, hindi siya mahiyain. Very confident itong person na to and possible din na up for a challenge. Possible din na parang, yung alam mo yun na wala nang mga hesitations pa sa end niya. So, yeah. And now, sabi ko sa inyo, diba, tingnan natin kung sa next pair, paano, saan, kailan mo makikilala itong new love na ito. Ooh, Six of Coins. A card of gratitude, generosity, and reciprocity. So, tingnan natin ano yung nakakabit. Parang kulang pa yung information ko to find out. Pero, yung situation kung paano kayo magkakilala saan, kailan, it's something na requires you to also kinda show reciprocity, pero so maybe it's something like hospitality situation, like baka cabin crew ka tapos siya pasahero. Yun yung unang pumasok sa isip ko, yung unang download. But let's find out yung nakakabit. Two of Wands. Two of Wands is a card of like making choices, and so it's a decision that you desire, but with the Six of Coins nga na it's a card of reciprocation and gratitude. I think ito na yung yung situation na nag-download. So yeah, it's an organic encounter. This is a new person. So there's a situation na parang kailangan ng tulong or something. Pwedeng just as simple as opening the door sa 7-Eleven. Diba? Tapos yun, marami kang bitbit, tumulong siyang magbukas ng pinto, tapos parang thank you, tapos ayun, nagkaroon ng conversation, or umuulan, malakas ang ulan, tapos wala kang payong, pinayungan ka nitong person na to, ayan, you just reciprocated with gratitude, and ayun, parang for some of you, yun, may similar situation, so take however it resonates, pero nasa ganung linya yung dating na you needed help, pero wala kang unexpectedly, biglang darating itong person na to help you, to assist you, tapos you'll just reciprocate it, and I think the reciprocation may end up nga na parang, uy, salamat sa help, pwedeng it's a situation na kumari, wala kang masakyan na tapos this person offered you a ride. Ganyan. Okay? And so, possible din pala nakakilala niyo itong person na to. Tapos yun, dahil dun sa gesture niya yun, parang you want to give back. And yun, yung give back mo is parang, sige, libre kita yung dinner, ganyan. And it started like that. So, ayun, yun yung possible scenarios. Umiikot sa ganung situation na it's like give and take kind of thing. And with the decision, sometimes kasi syempre parang possible na siya yung nag-iya, tapos parang ikaw mapapaisip pa, or ikaw magde-decide ka rin na parang would you do something in return. Ganon. Kasi give and take, hindi naman siya parang minsan agad-agad. Minsan nagde-decide din tayo in real time sa utak natin. Parang, ano kayang pwede kong i-reciprocate dito sa tao na to for doing something good to me. Parang ganon. Okay? And possible na ma-meet mo to on like the 6th of the month or the 2nd of the month, or at 6 o'clock in the morning or evening, or 2 a.m., 2 p.m., Okay, and well, 6 month has passed, but possible din the second half of the year, the remaining 6 months of this year mo siya makikilala, or di ba, on February. Pwede rin. So, yeah, just take note na lang of the numbers 6 and 2 on the when and where makikilala ito. Pwedeng 6th Avenue, 2nd Avenue, 62nd Avenue, diba? Or, yeah, somewhere na may 6, like aisle 6 ng grocery, okay? Or second row ng isang establishment, ganun. So, yeah, just take note of these numbers. Now, let's see bakit mo naman mamimit itong person na to. Ano yung purpose niya in your life? Is this really something na long-term? Or siya ba ay darating na sa buhay mo para may matutunan ka? Is it something karmic? So, let's find out. Okay. And gusto ko na remind lahat that this is a collective love reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga siya nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Okay? Abangan nyo lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. Best to book a personal private reading kasi mas naka-align yun sa energy ninyo. Okay? Ooh, Three of Swords. Aha. But let's see muna. Ano yung makakapit? But I think darating itong person na to as a karmic connection. Okay. Yeah, feeling ko nandito yung answer sa ka-pair, but I don't see that this person is going to hurt you. Okay, again, it's just the download. Mas nakikita ko na ikaw yung may tendency na manakit sa person na to. Okay, ba? Sabi ko kanina, di ba, itong person with the Knight of Coins is a very responsible, consistent, and trustworthy person. However, parang ikaw yung may mga mag-aalangan ka, baka nakikita ko dito na, yun, like with the decision here, parang di mo sure kung itutuloy mo ba to or bibigyan mo ng chance itong person na to. How will you reciprocate? May mga hesitations ka with the Two of Wands, hesitation to reciprocate. Kasi parang pinag-iisipan mo pa. So, I think pag nagpakita na to ng intention or motive sa'yo, parang 50-50 ka. And it will make this person feel bad. Siyempre kasi siya, consistent siya. Tapos ikaw, feeling ko ikaw yung magiging inconsistent. So, kaya justice card, yung energy din overall is, nakikita ko dito na, yun nga, fairness. Baka naman ang mangyari is magiging unfair ka sa person na to. So, pangatlo pa. Anyway, yeah. The Page of Cups nga. Kasi para sa'yo, it's still like, yung feelings mo naman towards this person is kind of, ngayon nga, parang service level pa, hindi mo pa siya masasabi nga na ikaw nagkakagusto sa kanya. Pag na-meet mo to, parang hindi pa ganun agad magdi-deepen yung sa end mo emotionally. Kaya medyo magiging 50-50 ka. Kaya at may mga bagay kang gagawin na magiging unfair sa new love na ito, sa new person na to. But again, kung yun yung nararamdaman mo, you don't have to force yourself naman, di ba? But you learn something from this. I don't know if it's panghihinayang sa isang, kasi possible high chances na nafe-feel ko dito sa energy na to, high chances din na hindi siya mag-stay as long as you want. Parang meron din siyang sarili ng boundaries. Okay? And kapag dumating na sa point na parang sa kanya ay parang wala namang nangyayari, possible na mawala ito sa life mo, na possible na ika-regret mo rin. But anyway, so you have to really gauge on this new connection properly kasi yeah, there will be some heartache dun sa magiging situation na ikaw din, ikalulungkot mo. This heartache, magiging din siya, magiging mirror siya. Dahil, yun nga, eventually, baka. Kaya this is just a warning siguro and a reminder on na i-gauge mo na maayos and treat person with fairness. Kung hindi mo na din talaga siya gusto, I think ang message din dito is kapag na-feel mo na wala talaga, sabi mo ng mas maaga. Okay? Kasi, ayun, para hindi nag-invest ng feelings yung isang tao. Okay? Pag uncertain ka, yeah, you have to really reflect on it and tell the person that you're still evaluating the situation. And kapag sure ka na, huwag ka nang paligoy-ligoy pa, huwag ka nang pa-eme-eme, di ba? Di ba? Kung gusto mo rin naman talaga, di show it. So, kasi, yun, again, justice card, you have to be accountable sa actions na gagawin mo, and there should be balance. Yun, walang dapat na nafe-feel na parang someone is treated unfairly. Okay? Kasi for sure, ayaw mo rin naman na mangyari sa iyo na parang biglang ikaw yung may gusto tapos pinapaasa ka lang pala. Alright? So, huwag paasa, okay? So, now, finally, let's find out ano yung final message ni Universe sa iyo, the best action moving forward. And what to do talaga kung nandito ka sa situation na ito. See? 5 of Wands. Medyo magiging conflicted ka. Kasi nga, hindi ka nga sure. May mga decisions kang gagawin. 50-50 ka sa situation. And ayaw mo rin naman siyang masaktan. Pero, yeah, that will be something conflicted. And bago ko i-pull tong last card, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa itong water signs na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate itong reading. Share nyo sa mga kakilala nyo na nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe. And kung bago kayo sa aking channel at nagko-connect kayo sa akin at sa mga readings ko, subscribe na lang kayo para maging part kayo ng collective. Okay? Para matap yung energy niyo whenever I do a new love reading. Okay. So, tignan natin yung nakakabit dito kay 5 of Wands as final message from the universe. Knight of Wands. Yeah, medyo conflicted ka. I think part of you still wants to have an adventure na sa'yo lang, okay? But part of you also wants to go on an adventure with this new love. So, medyo conflicted ka if you're going to take a leap of faith. With the Knight of Wands here, it's a card of taking a leap of faith, a card of excitement and adventure. Pero, medyo conflicted ka nga with the 5 of Wands. Ang daming tumatakbo sa utak mo na parang, ipupush ko ba? Not. Gusto ko ba siya? Not. Gagawin ko ba to? Not. Yun. Lagi kang parang, go, no, go, no, go, no. Kaya hindi mo magawa itong taking a leap of faith, which is kind of hard, of course, kasi, yun nga, naghihintay din yung person. Itong new love, naghihintay din siya. So, baka mapalampas mo itong new love na to. So, you have to really understand the situation and decide Yun, as I always remind here naman talaga sa mga readings ko na hawak natin ang ating kapalaran. Okay, so these are just guidance and insights sa current situation. At sana nabigay ko to sa inyo. So yun, so always use my readings with discernment. And yun, sana nga nakatulong. Kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Ingat!